nothing like being in a hospital and not smelling like a hospital. I've worked in a nursing home. I've had family members that's been in and out of the hospital. And it's not just about the doctors and nurses caring for the patients, it's also keeping them in a clean, safe environment. My name is Admiral, and I'm an EVS worker. Hospital hospitality, customer service, all of the above. Due to COVID-19, we stepped our game up by going above and beyond. So instead of us doing a 10-step, we do a 15-step, meaning we touch everything. Everything that we can reach, we clean it. You got to have the heart to care in order to do the job. It's not just about cleaning, it's about being a family. Making a difference, let me put it that way. That's what the boy is all down to, making a difference. Mama always said, if you're gonna do a job, do your best, and give it all you got. That's what I do.